Hello, my name is Marta, and I am pleased to present a website for the city of Spring Hill Community. Spring Hill Community is a beautiful town in St. George, Utah. Homes in Spring Hill wrap around a golf course offering beautiful open spaces with fantastic views and space while enjoying the prime weather of St. George. Spring Hill Community is more than just another neighborhood. Spring Hill has an exit off Interstate I-15 just before travelers drop down the twisty, turny gap into Nevada. Spring Hill residents care about each other in their community and show that concern in their way of life. In addition to the wide open spaces of the golf course, Spring Hill has 3 parks, places for livestock including riding arenas where residents and visitors cherish horses. It's the involved citizens that make Spring Hill great. St. George, Utah is currently experiencing massive growth from other states. Visitors have discovered this beautiful corner of Utah and are coming in droves to make it their new home. This website invites seasoned and new residents alike to be involved to protect and perpetuate the clean, caring environment of the community. A quarterly newsletter is published and currently mailed out to the homes of every resident. I believe this website will be a blessing to provide a place for residents to find the newsletter online and subscribe with their email, which will save the community the cost of printing and mailing the newsletter out. This website will be a blessing because it provides a place to inform residents of upcoming service opportunities and projects happening in the community. In designing this website, the project was to decorate the roundabout for Christmas. What a blessing it is that this community comes together to make this happen. They also hang wreaths on the bridges over the Virgin River which runs through the community. The website showcases some local residents who have recently been active in making a difference. Into the future, these spots could provide a place for community to recognize and thank individuals who make a difference. Let's catch people doing good instead of the continual news of terrible things happening in the world around us. Finally, the second and most prominent call to action of the page is to donate to community projects. Sometimes projects can happen with just physical work donations, and sometimes it takes funding to get a job done. This website provides a place for residents to donate securely and conveniently online instead of mailing a check to a P.O. box to then have someone make a trip to the post office to find and donate the donation. In this world of modern convenience, it's time to find a way to automate and streamline this process. This website will make that possible. The closing section shows the welcome sign from the back entrance to the Spring Hill community with a community promise that all donations will be spent locally, making a difference close to home. It's been a joy to learn about coding in this class, and I look forward to applying the principles that I've learned in many ways. Thank you, Sister Brownie.